welcome to another video. There's still no good place for me to put this camera, so also you're probably hearing my healing frequencies that are playing in the background. Here I am, and today, it's kind of a self-care day. It's a Friday, but mostly it's a hiking day because it's sunny out and it's 45 degrees, which is a win for Ithaca. So I needed to get outside today, and that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go hiking, and also it's really great because the state parks are free right now because it's like the off season, so I don't have to pay. It's gonna be really fun. But yeah, so I took an everything shower this morning, and I put a little bit of concealer on because my face is breaking out a lot, even though I hate makeup, but it's fine. And then I'm wearing this tank top right now, and I'm gonna put a jacket and a lighter coat over it, and I'm also gonna put pants on because I'm in shorts right now. But first I wanted to use this body oil just all over my body to smell good, so that's what I'm gonna do. Put my pants on. These are my favorite outdoorsy pants, and they are REI something or another, I can't remember. And then I finally get to break in my new hiking shoes, which I wore for like a half an hour last weekend, but that was the first time. But this is kind of the real first time that I'm breaking them in, so I'm excited about that. Okay, so I just got here, and I'm gonna be really sad if the main trail is closed because I don't really know where I'm gonna go then. Yeah, so I'm stupid. The trail is closed. Obviously it would be closed. It's literally like ice everywhere here because the snow keeps melting and refreezing. So I have to find somewhere else to hike, and that's fine. I'm just mad because I drove all this way over here. Not gonna lie, I did shed a few tears in my car because I really just wanted to try this new hike, and I'm really upset that it was closed. So I'm at one of my favorite trails. Sorry, it's really icy right here. I'm at one of my favorite trails right now, at least when it's warm out. I haven't really done it much in the winter. And it's also a bit long, so I'm probably not going to have time to do all of it because I have to get back for a meeting at 3, which is also why I was upset that the other one was closed, because I drove like 20 minutes to get to it, and then I had to drive back over here. But trying to take some deep belly breaths and reset my system because I don't need to be upset when it's a beautiful day out. So trying to just exist here right now. It was so nice to just sit with the elements here and enjoy this little taste of spring in February. The water was beautiful, the trees were beautiful, and so this is just your reminder to get outside, get out in nature, spend some time alone, and just exist exactly where you are. I know it can be rough during the winter for people who live in places where there's not much sun and it's really cold and there's a lot of snow, but even if you just take 5 minutes to get outside, take a little walk, stretch, stare at the sky, dance, anything, and I think that you will feel a little bit more peaceful and just a little bit happier. Views. It took a lot to get up here. I just climbed like from down there up here. It's muddy, but I've done it in worse conditions, so I knew I could do it. But it is pretty mucky up here. And I think I'm gonna have to turn around soon, but we'll see. This is me on the trails. I'm feeling a little bit better. But also I'm feeling a little bit like, still. But this definitely helped. So I highly recommend getting in nature when you can. Squirrel.